Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I want to share with you a winter terrain that I made for tabletop games as well as for decoration in the form of a diorama. For the basis of my terrain I have used this Christmas village base from the brand My Village. It is 58 centimeters long, 38 centimeters wide and 16 centimeters high. As you can see, the paint job on the base is not great, so I started by cleaning the base with a damp cloth and applying a layer of matte black primer. After that, I dry brushed it with a matte greyish blue, and finally I applied a snow texture paint. I applied a generous amount of the snow texture paint on the horizontal surfaces, but I used a different technique for the slopes and vertical surfaces. I thinned out the snow texture paint with some water and I dry brushed it onto the base. At the time when I finished the terrain I was quite happy with the result, but a year later I noticed that the snow texture paint was turning a bit yellowish, so I had to cover it with some matte white paint to restore the color. The terrain is quite flexible in the sense that I can easily modify it to be a military fortification for some tabletop games, or a cute little Christmas village for the holidays. The flexibility does mean that I had to compromise on its realism as well as its aesthetics, but in the end it serves its intended purpose as well, and I'm happy that I get to use it again and again for different forms of entertainment. So this was all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you may be informed when a new video becomes available. As always, thank you for watching.